Hey everyone, in this quick video I would like to teach you how to use custom number formatting to properly format telephone numbers. This is useful when you have a big group spreadsheet where you want people to enter their information such as emails, phone numbers, addresses, and stuff like that. And it can be kind of annoying when someone enters a phone number that just looks like this, for example. And it's just 10 numbers in a row, and it's really not pleasing to look at. And then someone else will enter it more like this, and it just makes it look different, not consistent. So we're gonna figure out how to create that format so that when someone enters their number, just the numbers, it will show up the way we want it to. So let's take that first phone number, 555-555-1234, and it's pretty simple. We're gonna hit format while clicking on the cell, hit format, number, more formats, and then custom number format, and you're just gonna type in parentheses, hashtag, 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 close your parentheses for the area code, then a dash, hashtag, 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 another dash, and then the final 4 hashtags of the phone number. We'll hit apply, and there it is. Pretty simple. And then also, if you want to add the +1 in front of that, you can do that as well. Format, number, more formats, custom number format, and here we have what we just used, and you literally just add +1 in front of it, and you'll get a properly formatted phone number. If you want to do this down the line of a whole row of values without having to do it every time, you can simply click on the one you just did, hit the paint format option in the top left here, and then click on all the cells you want it to paint to, and it'll paint to those. So we'll do it as an example in the cell beneath. We'll do another fake phone number, and it'll format the way we want it to. So that's pretty simple, a simple way to use custom number formatting to properly format phone numbers in sheets. If you learned something today, please give the video a like. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please give a comment, and as always, subscribe. Thank you.